Years ago, the only option that customers really had when they were going to put on a new roof on a flat commercial building was tar and gravel. And it was a decent roof, but technology has allowed us to move forward with a product that doesn't break down as easily with a freeze-thaw cycle that we experience so much in Utah. And what happens with the freeze-thaw cycle is the water will find a crack in asphalt, and then that will turn to ice, expand, and over the process of doing this several times, it will actually create a crack and a conduit through for the moisture to penetrate. Now we've got a thermoplastic that doesn't break down with the freeze-thaw cycle. The TPO is welded together at the seams, and it becomes essentially fused, so it's one material. So the weld essentially becomes the strongest part of the roof. The drip edge used to be with tar and gravel where it leaked the easiest. Now the drip edge is the strongest point, so it's a wonderful roof. Ponding water doesn't create as much of a problem as it did with tar and gravel. Try and get the standing water off of the roof still, but if it happens to be on there in places, it just doesn't create the same problems that it did before. The biggest advantage is the energy savings. And this is huge. A TPO membrane is typically white and is 85% more reflective than a tar and gravel or a different colored surface. So it's a wonderful roofing system to put on a building if you want to save energy costs.
I started using Brady Roofing roughly 6-7 years ago. I was looking for a new company, and I was given Diamond's name, the Brady Roofing Company, from actually a membrane distributor, and they suggested him as a new startup company that was very dependable and reliable. And I used him on that project, and pretty much exclusively ever since that point for the last 7 years.
This building here, this is Cameo College of Essential Beauty. This is my business. We built this 4 years ago. And Brady Roofing, again, hands down, there's no way that I would go with another company. I just think it's really important. When you choose somebody to do business with, you want to choose somebody that you can trust and that you know is going to back up their product, and Brady Roofing does.